Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two Ring Alarm base stations. So this is the Ring Alarm Pro. This is the newest model. This one on the right is the Ring Alarm second generation. Now both of these work with Z-Wave devices. So if you've got contact sensors, these contact sensors will work with both of them. Like this is a range extender, it'll work with both of them. It's a Z-Wave. And same with the motion sensors, they're Z-Wave also, and it'll work with both base stations. These will communicate. And same with the second generation keypad. This keypad will work with both base stations. Now where we get into the differences are the power supplies that power them, and the actual base stations are different. We can see this Pro has a built-in Wi-Fi router. We see the Alarm Pro has a built-in Eero Wi-Fi 6 router. Now the second generation, it's got a router or Wi-Fi. That's how it connects with the different devices. These devices will connect with this wirelessly, but it's not your household Wi-Fi. And if we look on the back here, there's a LAN port, USB-A port. The power supply is different. That's going to power it. You got this power cord. You're going to plug it in. There's the connector, and it goes right there. A reset button, 2 lights, and a pairing button. Now if we look over, and it also has a built-in battery. Now this is the Pro. Here's where you power it, okay? We've got 2 LAN ports, a pairing button, and a reset button. Now this LAN cable, there's about 4 or 5 different ways of connecting this to the internet. The preferred way is you're gonna plug this LAN cable in, and you're gonna plug that into your Wi-Fi router, your internet router. And they show this, that your internet comes into your house, there's your modem. They want the Ring Alarm Pro plugged into the modem, and then that's how the devices are going to connect. And you can do that also with the second gen. But now what happens next is this Pro it can be your Wi-Fi router. So if you had a Wi-Fi router, you could get rid of it. And during the setup, you could give it the same Wi-Fi name and all of that. And then you would have a nice, strong Wi-Fi router also. If you have an Eero router, also, you can connect this. You don't have to use the LAN cable. You could just have this be an extender for your other Eero router that's connected to your Wi-Fi network already. You can mount this to the wall. There is a SIM card here for this was, I think, AT&T. Again, I'm not sure. I have not found out what this is, either a micro SD card or a SIM card. I'm not sure yet. But again, they both have battery backup that you can change the battery. And they both have an alarm. That's actually a speaker and a light that if your alarm goes off, this can be your auto alarm. And same with here. Now let's measure them. 6 3/4 inch square. Height wise, it's about 2 7/8. This one is a square, also 6 5/8, but it's not very tall. It's only about 1 3/4 inches tall. This one does have a little port. You could put like a Wi-Fi antenna on it or something. And then here's the ports over here. So I hope this comparison video helped. Thanks everybody for watching.